Aries. Aries is fiery and movable sign which is ruled by Mars. Mars means energy. Professions where you need to put a lot of energy, where there is a risk taking involved, where there is a fiery work involved, are the best professions suited for your sign. Some of the professions which you can choose are profession related to defense, fire related work, sports, engineering, iron bricks mining related work, dentist, even the manufacturers of military weapons, paramilitary forces, police department, surgeons, employees who work in fire and metal industries. These are some of the professions which Aries people they can choose. Taurus. Taurus is earthy and fixed sign. It's ruled by Venus. So those professions who are particular to Venus. Venus means beauty, Venus means arts, Venus means creativity. So professions such as designing, engineering, administrators, housekeeping industries, jewelry, finance, money handling, textile, handicraft, film industry, those who are into artistic pursuits like acting, music, poetry, storytelling, singing, then who deal in flowers and fruits, interior decoration, hotel management. These are some of the professions which a Taurus people can choose. Gemini. Gemini is nothing but airy and dual sign ruled by Mercury. Mercury is nothing but speech. Mercury is nothing but communication. Mercury is nothing but management. So some of the professions which are related to Mercury you can choose, such as accounting, accountancy, auditors, writers, communicators, businessmen, computer programmers, those who do analytical work, intellectuals, journalists, lawyers, publishers, those people who want to go into sales and marketing, software engineers, those who deal in stationery work, IT industry, research, space research, counselors, ambassadors, mathematician. These are some of the people Gemini people can choose. Cancer. Cancer is a watery and movable sign ruled by Moon. Moon are nothing but emotions. So some of the professions which are ruled by Moon are profession related to administration, public relation managers, nurses, housekeepers, restaurant owners, milk distributors, catering, cooking people, professions where you need to deal with the liquid, export import, transportation, agriculture, milk, grocery, those who deal in pearl, those who deal in water, those who want to work in water related department. These are some of the people, some of the professions which Cancer people can choose. Leo. Leo is a fiery and fixed sign ruled by Sun. Sun means authority, Sun means government, Sun means administration. So some of the professions where you need to work in the government, especially IS, IPS officers, people who are into security business, people who are into medicines, people who are into scientific pursuits, those who work in large organizations, those who are contractors, those who are corporates, those who are into politics, those who want to become leader, those who are involved in social charitable work, people who want to get into administration work, people who want to get into engineering, people who want to join a government job. These are some of the professions which Leo people can choose. Virgo. Virgo is an earthy and dual sign ruled by Mercury. So some of the professions which come under Mercury, Virgo people can do, such as accountancy, craftsmen, draftsmen, teachers, mathematicians, engineers, traders who do a management for a political party, who define guidelines, help them to manage things, manage people, who want writers, consultancy, auditing, accounts work, stationery work. These are some of the professions which Virgo people can choose. Please do share, like and subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can get notification about our forthcoming video. Astro Saga can guide you based on your personal horoscope, based on the right profession which you can choose, because choosing a right profession is very important. If you put efforts at the right path and a right career, then you will definitely excel. You can take a help of your what is destined in your horoscope. So do contact on below numbers and choose a right career path for you. Libra is an airy and movable sign ruled by Venus. So some of the professions which are related to Venus, they can choose. They can go into artistic work such as acting, dancing, singing, etc. Some of the professions such as actresses, financials, hoteling, hotel management, interior designers, interior decorators, who want to be a musician, who want to be a physician, those who want to do a creative work, those who want to do a finance work. These are some of the professions which are suited for Libra people. Scorpio. Scorpio is in watery and fixed sign ruled by Mars. Again, Mars represents energy. Mars represents risk. Some of the professions which Scorpio people can choose are advocates, chemists, detectives, who want to go into armed forces, policemen, politicians, surgeons, traders who do trading in chemicals, who deal in raw materials such as iron, metal, mining, who want to be an engineer. These are some of the professions Scorpio people can choose. Sagittarius. Sagittarius is a fiery and dual sign ruled by Jupiter. Jupiter is nothing but wisdom. Jupiter represents a whole lot of things in our life. So some of the professions which Sagittarius people can choose are social charitable work. They can work into a temple, they can be a priest, they can be an astrologer, they can be a teacher, they can be a lawyer, legal advisor, religious leaders. These are some of the professions Sagittarius people can choose. Capricorn. Capricorn is an earthy and movable sign ruled by Saturn. Saturn shows patience. Saturn means hard work. So some of the professions which Capricorns can go into are, they can be a leaders, they can be a politicians, they can go into stone mining work. They are good business people. They can become agriculturist. They can also go into fertilizing industry, pesticides. They can also get into spare part, hardware. People who do business in old articles, they can go into leather business. They can also run old age homes because Saturn represents old people. Aquarius. Aquarius is an airy and fixed sign ruled again by Saturn. Aquarius are born a sharp-minded people. Research are very suited for them. They are made for research and development, astrology, consultancy, administration work. Those who are into oil and natural gas, those who want to go into defense service, Travel tourism work is also suited for them. Those who want to go into investigation service, central excise department. These are some of the professions Aquarius can choose. Pisces is an watery dual sign ruled again by a Jupiter. So some of the professions which are suited for Pisces people are education and teaching work, religious work, those who want to work in a finance department, those who want to be a teacher, those who want to be an astrologer, those who want to go into external affairs, who want to go into navy, shipping line, financial advisors, legal advisors, trainers, counselors. These are some of the professions which Pisces people can do. Please do share, like and subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can get notification about our forthcoming video. Astro Saga can guide you based on your personal horoscope, based on the right profession which you can choose, because choosing a right profession is very important. If you put efforts at a right path and a right career, then you will definitely excel. You can take a help of your what is destined in your horoscope. So do contact on below numbers and choose a right career path for you.